My question is to the female star cast, and since we've established that this is a female bashing film, which it is, why did you voluntarily, why are you a part of this?
Like
what made you pick up this? Because since it is women against women, technically speaking.
I don't think, I beg to differ, I don't think it's a woman bashing film. Bashing is too strong a word. It's, for me, I don't have a small word to explain it, but it's a film made by a man who's a keen observer of women. He chooses to show one side, he chooses not to show one side yet. We are hoping, still hoping that maybe one day a film will come from his, that he'll make, where the good side of women is also shown. Why I chose is a reason, of course, from the fact that Pyar Ka Panchnama was my first film. It gave me a break, a place in the industry. Like till now, people remember me as a part of that. How many newcomers get to be part of a hit franchise so early on in their career? But apart from these reasons which are related to professional, there's a personal reason also. Love Ranjan, who is supposedly, I mean, he's made this film which is women bashing, as you say, but we all know him in person, and I have no qualms in admitting he is a man that I know has the most respect for women. We have seen him deal with his mother, his sisters, friends, us, in the most respectable manner, and he actually loves women. This is just a funny way of showing something. And
what about you?
What I think, so there's not too much of thought process that has actually gone into why should I not do the film. When I was approached, like when I got across the script of Pyar Ka Panchnama, and this is I'm talking about one. There are a lot of movies over the period of time in our cinema that is made for the women, you know, for women empowerment and like how, you know, they have been crucifying by the society, by the people and whatever. So this script was very different, it was very unique, and nothing of this sort has been actually ever shown in the cinema, nor it has been, it's not a remake of a South film, it's not an adaptation of a Hollywood film, it's actually a pure fresh concept. And what people liked, even after having no star value to the film, with 6 newcomers, with a new director, with a new producer, is because the film was so unique. And I don't think so anybody took it so seriously, because people really loved it. And to some point, I think so girls, or be it boys, identified to the characters. And being a part of it, both the films, part 1 and 2, and even playing the roles of the evil women, I somehow think that maybe the film is a little exaggeration, but that's what movies are about, a little exaggeration as compared to the real life. But yes, I also sometimes do relate. I mean, come on, you guys also, you are not like, you haven't lied, you haven't lied ever. Honestly, you haven't.
No. I couldn't relate to the film.
No, I'm not saying entirely. No,
not even a single thing.
No, I'm not saying.
I get that. You know, I didn't have. Like, it's good to laugh on yourself.
No, I didn't. I laughed. Like, there were sections where I was laughing, but what my problem with the film was, honestly, as a woman, was when you were talking about individual relationships where you were a certain way, you were clingy with, you know.
So that's what I'm saying.
That was fine. But when the monologue came in, when it was all about, you know,
basically your dad was just generalizing.
Yeah. Right. Yes, of course. Like, how can you say that all women are like that?
No, we are not saying all women are like that. कि लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं. This is a particular guy venting out his frustration of his girlfriend who was.
But he didn't use her name.
No, of course he said वो ये करती है, वो ये करती है, वो ये करती है.
Okay, I have a point here,
yes,
okay, which I'm very, very personal and passionate about. The thing is that when you actually put your own foot in your own mouth, he was actually not talking about one particular, he was talking about औरतें. Now in those how many points did you make? Many points. I don't know how many, जो भी 5 मिनट का था उसमें बहुत सारे points है. उसमें से some points will describe her, some will describe her, some will describe me, some will describe you, some will describe some women existing God knows where. Like, I remember when I was watching that monologue, because I didn't see him shoot, I saw it on the screen, and I saw it and I was like, and before that I was like, no, women are not like that. Like, come on, when I saw the monologue, I wanted to just hide under a table, because I was like, that bit I do. So amongst those 100 points, there's 1 point maybe or 2 points that I genuinely and honestly can confess that yeah, I can do that. Like that only niche karo. So I've done that. So I think
so that's
it's
No,
good
yeah,
to
I
laugh.
get that there were certain points where all women could relate to it, but
Yeah.
like I said, my problem was the entire problem is कि वो औरत है, you know.
And औरत
so
is
that
the
was,
root of
and there
all
are a lot of female friends that I have who saw the film and they're like, you know what, I mean,
And the
you know, it's just a
it's
funny
just
take.
so
It's not meant in a serious way to offend anybody, to offend women out there, and plus we three playing the parts. It's not made in a way to get out in society and tell people that this is how women are. It's not like that. It's a comedy film made just to purely entertainment film, just to entertain people, make them laugh, and we have got that reception from people where they have laughed, enjoyed the film, come out of the theaters and said, when are we seeing part 2? And hence we are coming with part 2 because people have accepted it.
See, what is a little bit off, which I'm trying to put back in perspective, is that it's not that Aurat is the root cause of everything, is what
Yeah,
you just
that's
said,
what-
right?
yeah,
that's not what we're
that's
saying.
the
That's not what he said
that's
either.
what the interpretation.
Now, I'll
was
just explain to you.
from the film.
Who was he? He was one character in a film who was really tortured or pareshan or whatever his life situation was by this one girl. He's venting out in front of one friend of his. So it's a character who's really been troubled by certain situations and this one girl, and he is venting out in front of his one friend. उसमें से अगर आप रिलेट करते हो तो आप इंजॉय कर लोगे, अगर आपको नहीं लगता है कि हाँ नहीं ये सेंस नहीं बना रहा, ठीक है, बट इसने क्या गलत किया या जिसने लिखा है उसने क्या गलत किया, मतलब द पॉइंट ऑफ द होल थिंग इज इट इज इन अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ समथिंग ना, मतलब हमने आंदोलन शुरू नहीं किया, हमने ऐसी नहीं हमने जाके ये नहीं कहा कि आप सब यही करो या आप सब यही मानो and now live by this in the rest of your relationship. We're not saying that. Nobody nowhere in that film is said that. So you have to see कि वो अपना भड़ास जो वो personally as a character झेल रहा है अपने एक दोस्त के सामने निकाल रहा है, simple as that.
And Omkar and Sunny, I would like to ask you, you're part of Pyar Ka Panchnama too. So, what made you become a part of this venture now, and what about Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 is different from the first film? Because I saw the trailer and I'm like, अरे वही हो रहा है, वही हो रहा है, वही monologue है, वही सब हो रहा है. तो what is different about this film?
I think it's better. It's grand.
In terms of.
In terms of, if you see, the character is different. It's unique. You're gonna see much more better things in it. वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी, वो कल्ट थी, और ये भी I'm sure कि इतने रिस्पॉन्स तो आई रही है, तो fingers crossed थी. But ये है कि आपको अलग तो देखने मिलेगा, and I'm sure that you guys will go out and you have that what I was talking before, that the hangover कि हाँ यार मजा आया. अगर वो मिल गया तो I guess हमारा काम हो गया.
I think I have a interesting thing out here, because I, as an audience, when I saw Pyar Ka Panchnama 1, I wasn't a part of it. So when I saw it, I related to it like any other guy. You know, I kind of saw, and I saw instances where I said कि यार ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. So it was, and I had no clue at that time I was going to be a part of the Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 one day. And so when I came on board, I did feel कि अच्छा, there is more scoop and more material to the whole the idea of it. Even when I saw part 1 and even when I went through the part 2's process, I didn't feel that it's just a side and a take on relationships in a different view and a perspective altogether. It just looks at relationships and its issues, especially from the woman's side, from the man's side actually, in a different light altogether. So हम काफी देखते हैं फिल्में, अगर 10 फिल्में उस चीज पर ये बन रही हैं कि how usually women are the victims. अगर 10 में से एक फिल्म में from our perspective बन गई और लोगों को पसंद आ गई, so I don't see any harm in it actually. So that's why I like to, when I heard the script, I said I want to be a part of it because it's every guy somewhere story. Yeah.
Okay, and I want to know the reactions you're getting on the trailer and on the first film, because there are, of course, there's the youth who loved the film, and there were a lot of males who related to the film, and they were like, I see what they whatever. But there were a lot of women also who were like, कि नहीं हमें गलत वे से represent किया गया है. तो what reactions did you get individually, and what are you hoping for in the second part of the film, like the reactions from the audience?
I was hiding when we first went to a theatre visit, and he knows that I was hiding behind him. I thought they will throw things at me and hate me, but they asked for me, girls, I'm really saying girls, and not young girls. There was an auntie, like at least 40-year-old, who asked ke Babu ka hai, and then I came out from behind him. I said, really? Did they really call him me, or are they asking for him? Because somewhere I call him Babu, he calls me Babu. It was confusing. So they did ask for me, and she herself said that she really related to me and everything. So मेरा confidence film में actually release के बाद बढ़ा. I was not very sure of it when I was first doing it, which everybody knows. I've said it in interviews before. But it's the audience and people who actually seconded the whole film and supported it in the true sense.
And I think जब मैं ट्रेलर देखने गया था इस मूवी का, हमारी मूवी का, तो आई सॉ इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन. जैसे हमारे डायलॉग्स आ रहे थे, जो भी ट्रेलर चल रहा था, पीछे बैठे रहे, ताली मारी, क्या ये देखनी, ये पहले दिन देखी. तो वो चीज़ काफ़ी.
Thank you guys for joining us. Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 releases on October 16th. You know their viewpoint now, and females out there especially, now you have to decide whether you want to watch this film or not.
No, they have to go watch it.
Okay, they say they have
आप
to.
देखना चाहोगे कि नहीं पहले वो?
हाँ.
हाँ, देखेंगे बाद में, देखेंगे.